Hey guys, I'm Stacy Smallwood, the owner of Hampden, and welcome to the Style Set. Well, what is the Style Set, you ask? It is your answer to getting dressed every day. We want you to feel great every time you look at your closet and say, what am I gonna wear? Well, we have the answers. After almost 20 years in the fashion industry, I want to share some of that valuable knowledge and make getting dressed even easier. We're gonna have style videos, tips and tricks, some inside look from the designers and their advice, and member perks and even discounts. So, aren't you ready to sign up? Come join me. We created the Hampden Style Set with you in mind. This is your resource to make getting dressed fun again. So how are we gonna help? First, styling videos. I wanna show you personally the tips, tricks, tweaks you can make to each look to make it feel your own, create your own style. Okay, so you've watched these styling videos and you realize, hey, I need to add a couple of things to my closet. Well, take our fashion quiz. That will match you up with a personal shopper who is going to make you feel great. We really are here to help. And don't forget, they're not even on commission. They're here to style you, listen, and make you feel great. Next up, we have to talk about the discount. 15% off one purchase a month. How great is that? It can be as many pieces as you want. There is no other platform out there where you can get in-depth interviews with the designers and really understand how they envision their collection being worn. Find out more through our Q&As, see behind the scenes footage. There's so much we can learn from these designers, and this is your platform to do it. I'm here to help, and I can't wait to be part of your success story. So join today. Let's get started.